Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I was gonna do an in-store video like I have been doing, but the 5 off of 30 gain, I already used that digital coupon and I haven't gotten any good coupons back. And I didn't want to do another of those PG deals because it is a little bit of a higher out of pocket. So instead, I wanted to share with you guys the hot deals and new digital coupons they have for this week, as well as 3 different scenarios of deals you can do for the Saturday 5 off 25 digital coupon. I will also be choosing the winner of the coupon inserts from my CVS haul video on Sunday, so stay tuned for that. If you're not already a subscriber to the channel, take a second and hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. I am going to start doing some more consistent giveaways, so when you guys are subscribers, you'll be able to enter and get some really fun prizes. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. We have some glitches that I'm going to share with you guys. These digital coupons are one-time use coupons. So if you used it last week, it's not going to be available again. So I want to still share the deals with you guys in case you haven't used the digitals yet. That way you can put those in with your 5 off 25 scenarios for Saturday. So the Head & Shoulders, these small trial and travel sizes are $2 each. The 3 off of 2 digital is glitching and it is attaching. So your final cost would be $1 for both or just 50 cents each, which is definitely a great deal. And it will help lower your out-of-pocket cost. Toothpaste, this seems to always be glitching. So the Crest Cavity Toothpaste, the 5.7 ounce is only $2. And this digital is attaching even though it says it excludes it. So if you want to take advantage of it, it would make the toothpaste just $1. A nice freebie to share with you all. This Dentalife is $1. There are 7 in there and you can use this $1 digital coupon, making it completely free. Tums, this is a new digital coupon for this week as well. It is $1 off and it says on any one Tums 28 count or larger. This is a 36 count and they are $2. Using the $1 digital, your final cost is also just $1. Some oral care deals. So I wanted to share this with you for Colgate. We have a digital coupon that was available last week. This instant savings was available last week as well. So if you haven't done the instant savings deal or used your digital coupons, you can still do it this week. It is still going on. That is a picture right from the weekly ad. So when you spend $10 on any of those brands listed, you will instantly save $3. So a tip on instant savings, if you're doing it in a 5 off 25 scenario, your total has to be $25 after any store coupon. So that would technically be like a Dollar General deal. So then you'd want your total to be $28 or more. So once the instant savings comes off, you'll still be above the $25. So this is also the cheapest deal that I put together. The Suavitel and all the other digitals from last week expired. There are some printables that you can use, but it's not going to give you as much savings as this Colgate digital. So what you can do is buy 4 of the Colgate Total SF Advanced White. There's only a few that work with the digital, so make sure, like always, you're using your Dollar General app. Scan the items you're going to be purchasing. Make sure the digitals attach. They are $4 each, so that would be $12. So we are above the $10 mark. We can use the 5 off of 3 Colgate digital coupon. The $3 will come off instantly. There's no digital coupon for that you'll need to clip. Your final cost would be $4 for 3 toothpaste or just $1.33 each. Not a bad deal on its own, but of course combining it in a Saturday scenario, which I have for you at the end, makes it even cheaper, under $1. So for Aussie hair care products, I know a lot of you guys have been posting in my CVS haul video that you love Aussie products. So I wanted to share this with you as well. So the better deal is definitely at CVS, but if you don't have a CVS near you and you shop at Dollar General, still some good savings. Again, make sure you're adding it in with a Saturday 5 off 25 to lower your price per item. If you're just doing this deal alone using the 2 off of 2 digital coupon, your final cost would be $5 for both or $2.50 each. Jergens, we got a new digital coupon. There's a printable coupon on coupons.com, and we got this coupon in our 7/12 inserts as well. So a bunch of different places to use this coupon. You can grab one of the Jergens. There's a couple different varieties available for $3.75. Using that $2 digital makes this lotion just $1.75. A makeup deal for you guys. We got a new CoverGirl Eye digital coupon for $2 off. What you can do is grab one of the eyebrow or the eyeliner pencils. I put eyebrow, that's a typo. It's the eyeliner pencils for $4. Use the $2 CoverGirl Eye digital, making your final cost just $2. So now let's get into the Saturday 5 off 25 scenarios. For the first scenario, what you're going to do is grab one of the Dental Life for $1. One of the Tide Simply 75 ounces, they are $6.95 and they're still glitching with the $3 Tide Original digital coupon. One of the Bio-Free patches for $1.75. One Oral-B toothbrush at $2. Again, Flings 14 count for $3.95. Two of the Head and Shoulders Trial and Travel sizes, they are $2 each, which will be $4. One of the Jergens Natural Glow for $3.75, and one of the Bella Dry Dog Food for $5.85. Your total is going to come to $29.25. All the digitals you're going to want to use: the $1 Dental Life digital, the 3 off of 2 Head and Shoulders, $2 Jergens, the $2 Oral-B digital coupon, $2 Gain Flings. We have a $2 BioFreeze if you didn't use it last week. We have a $3 off one Bella Dry Dog Food. There's also a $3 off two, so make sure you click the right one. $3 off the Tide. It attaches to the Tide Simply, but it's actually a Tide Original digital coupon. And the 5 off 25 Saturday digital. So here is the final breakdown. Total again was $29.25. After all the coupons of $23, you'll pay just $6.25 plus taxes for 9 items, or about 69 cents each, which is amazing. So definitely a great scenario. My next scenario for you, what you can do is grab one of the Gain liquids for $3.95, one Gain Fireworks at $3.95 as well, one of the Cascade 14 count bags for $6, one CoverGirl eyeliner pencil at $4, 2 Sour Patch Kids, they're $1 each, so that would bring you to $2, one of the Olay bar soap for $2.50, and one U by Kotex security tampons for $3.25. The coupons you're going to want to use, again, in all digital scenario, we have a $2 Gain Liquid Digital, a $2 Gain Fireworks, $2 Cascade 14 count digital. There are some other Cascade digitals, so just beware of which one you have. There's a 50 cent, $1, and a $2. So make sure you have whichever one clipped. If you have all of them clipped, the lowest value, of course, is going to be the one to come off first. The $2 CoverGirl Eye digital we got this week. We also have a $1 off of 2 Sour Patch Kids digital coupon that we got this week. I did check Ibotta. I've already done that rebate, so it may be that it just didn't reset for me yet, or it may just not be available to redeem at Dollar General. But always check your Ibotta account, see what kind of rebates you have. The $1.50 Olay bar soap digital and the $1.50 U by Kotex digital. And the most important digital, of course, is the 5 off 25 Saturday only digital coupon. Here is your final breakdown. Total again for these items is $25.65. All of your coupons will come to $17. You'll wind up paying $8.68 plus taxes for 8 items, or about $1.08 each. So still not a bad deal. We had the Cascade in there, which is typically $6. And you're going to be getting it for just $1.08. So another great scenario for you guys. And for my last scenario, I have a couple other items, including that instant savings deal. So stay tuned. I will explain exactly how it works. Again, you can grab a Gain Liquid at $3.95 and a Gain Fireworks at $3.95. One of the Dental Life bags for $1. One Tums 36 count for $2. And then 3 of the Colgate Total for $4 each, which will bring you to $12. One Olay bar soap, $2.50, and one U by Kotex at $3.25. Total is $28.65. The digital coupons, another all digital scenario. The $1 off 1 Tums, $1 off Dental Life. The 5 off of 3 Colgate Digital. The instant savings, I just wanted to mention it. It's not a digital coupon. It'll come off instantly at checkout, but I wanted to mention it in here for you. The $1.50 Olay Digital, $1.50 Kotex Digital, the $2 Gain Liquid Digital. We have a $2 Gain Fireworks Digital, and again, that Saturday, 5 off 25. Now it's time to announce the winner of the coupon inserts that I will be sending out. The winner is going to be Dayla May. Congratulations. Make sure you send me an email within 2 days to this email address, briecouponqueen@gmail.com. Send me your address and where you want the coupon inserts mailed to. Got to get the information over to where I purchased them from by Thursday morning. So try to make sure that you send me an email as soon as possible. Don't forget to check on my Instagram as well, Bree the Coupon Queen. Follow me there. I am announcing the other winner for the coupon inserts on my Instagram. So if you didn't win in my YouTube, if you entered on my Instagram, double check, you may be a winner there. Thank you again to everyone who entered and continues to support my channel. So let's look at the final breakdown. Total is $28.65. Then the instant savings will come off, which will bring your total to $25.65, again, being over that $25 mark that we need to hit. The total for the rest of the coupons is $19, bringing your final cost to $6.65 plus taxes for 9 items, or just 73 cents per item. So another great scenario where everything is under $1 each. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. I will be doing a Saturday haul this week for you guys at Dollar General. So I'm going to put together a couple other deals and put together a great scenario for Saturday. So stay tuned on my channel if you're looking for an in-store video. I will be posting that for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.